up, beauties, and welcome back to a Makeup Mondays. As you can see by the title, today we're going to do a simple graphic look using eyeliner. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I go by Tanel. I am the beautiful bargainista here on this channel. I focus on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, all on a budget. So if there's something that interests you or you learn something from this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. And to all of my ride or die beauties, hey sis, thanks for tuning back in. So now that all the introductions are out of the way, we're going to go straight into the video. And you guys already know, let's get on to the video. Let's get on to the video. Let's get on to the video. Okay, so like I stated in the introductions, we will be doing a simple graphic eye using eyeliners right here. And graphic just means that it's, you know, simple, sharp lines, bold, graphic. So I have already done my brows, so we're just going to go ahead and get into this video. We're not going to be doing a whole lot of chit-chatting. So I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer. Okay, so to begin with, I am going to take a concealer. I am using Wet n Wild in the color Dark Cocoa, and I'm just going to place this all over my lid, and I'm just using this as a base. I'm going to take a dry blender, make sure it's dry, and we're just going to pat that and blend that all over our lid. Like I said, we're just using this as a base to neutralize our lids, especially if you have dark lids. This will neutralize it, make it one even color. And this is a real simple look. You don't want to go too light because we're going to be using neutral colors on our lids. Okay, so like I stated, we're going to be using neutral colors on our lids, something similar to my skin tone. And what I like to use is, they're not even shadows. It's my bronzer in this Black Radiance contour palette. So I'm going to be using this color right here. And I'm going to use this color all over my lid. And I'm going to be using just a blending brush to do this. I'm just going to pat that all over my lid. As you can see, it has like neutralized my eyes, gave me a little bit of color, but still looks natural. Now we're going to go into the first part of the graphic lid, and that's just a liner. And today I'm using this bold pink color by Wet n Wild. It's their Shock Therapy color, and I'm just going to place that across the top of my liner. Notice that I didn't do a wing. If you want to do a wing, you can do a wing, but a wing is not necessary. Just that simple. Okay, so this completes the first part. We're going to come back and do the second part because I had to put the rest of my face on to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so now I have my face on. We're going to go back to the eyes. First thing, I'm going to clean up this area right here. And I'm just going to take some leftover foundation, not a lot. And don't worry, it's not going to mess up your shadow. It's just going to give it a nice clean finish look. Yes, you can see the difference already. Like this area here is still, it's not bad, but you know, to make it cleaner, you can tell this has been cleaned up compared to this side. And it's just give it a smooth transition. So now you can stick to the same color up top. And I forgot to mention, you can also use a liquid liner up top. But you can also use it at the bottom. So that's what we're going to do is our bottom. But instead, I am going to be using the Nicka K Auto Eyeliner in Sky Blue. I'll be using this, and I'll be putting this on my waterline. And I'm just going to warm it up on the back of my hand. This is what the color looks like. So it's just a little bit of contrast. Take my dry blender. Hold my eye down and hit right on the waterline. Just like that. Real nice and simple. A little pop of color. And there you have it. So that's the next step. Is we're going to add shadow just to make it more bolder. I have smaller tiny eyes, so the blue is picking up. This, you can stop right here if you choose to, for a nice subtle look, but I'm gonna make it more bold and more graphic by taking some shadow. I got this Cara Bright and Matte palette. I got this off of Amazon, really affordable. If they have it available, I will definitely make sure to link it down below. Can you see? Eyeshadow brush. I don't even know who it's from or whatever, but this is going to be using. And then I am going to be picking up, let's see, this blue right here. Just going to take a little bit of that, put that on the tip, and go right underneath there. Okay, you can already see the difference. This one is more bold. The blue is standing more out just by adding the shadow on top of it. And there you have it. So now we're going to go into mascara. Make our mascara nice and bold and with volume, voluminous. How would you say that? So we're going to do top and bottom because we really want that blue to pop out. And by adding mascara to the bottom of our lashes, it's going to make it really stand out. I'm going to use this Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara for my bottom lashes. Okay, so now we're going to finish off the look by adding some gloss, some lipstick. I'm going to keep it real nice and neutral since our eyes are bold. We want all the attraction to come to our eyes. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to be using Nicka K Bold Lip Liner in dark brown with Fenty's, what is this? The Fenty Glow. Just something real nice and simple. Like I said, we want all the attraction to come towards our eyes. So I'm going to line my lips. And I'm just going to pat that in because we want this to look natural. And then go in with the Fenty Glow. Okay, beauty, so this is the final look. Really simple, but a bold look. This works really well if you're just new to makeup and you want to add some color, but you don't want to really mess with shadow. This look is perfect. You just have to make sure that your base is neutralized and the pop of color really shows. Like I said, if you choose to use liquid liner, that works good. Yeah, and just really simple, bold, quick makeup look. This makeup look can be achieved in 5 to 10 minutes and you out the door. Very editorial, and just simple, just really simple. You guys saw swipe of some eyeliner, add a little bit of shadow, and you have it. Well, you guys, that concludes this Makeup Monday. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. Hope you will try this look out. Like I said, it's really simple. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here. Turn on your post notifications. That way you will be alerted anytime I upload a video. Yeah, so if you have any questions or comments, also check the comment section down below. You guys already know. Thank you for coming. I love you guys for coming. I will see you in the next one. Peace, 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 peace.